Rolling down the golden sand, where the palm trees sway and stand. The Sanya's breeze, so warm and grand, feel the waves touch the land. Sanya sky, so bright and blue, paradise in every view. Island dreams are coming true, walking around, just me showing you. Through the bustling boardwalk lanes, tasting fruits and summer games. In the sunlight joy remains, in Sanya's heart where sunshine sustains. Sanya sky, so bright and blue, paradise in every view. Island dreams are coming true, walking around, just me showing you. Through the bustling boardwalk lanes, tasting fruits and summer games. In the sunlight joy remains, in Sanya's heart where sunshine sustains. Sanya sky, so bright and blue, paradise in every view. Island dreams are coming true, walking around, just me showing you. Night descends with stars so bright, Sanya's charm in the moonlight. Every step feels just so right in this tropical delight. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, we're showing you. Feeling Sanya's vibe, we'll view it through.
Okay, this is the entrance to Dadonghai Beach in Sanya. So we'll put this up on, you've probably already seen it on the map, or you will see it shortly. But we're gonna walk into the beach part, and then we're gonna walk down the beach a little bit and try to give you an idea of the whole vibe of Sanya, this part of Sanya anyways. It's, this is a small slice, but it's kind of a peninsula part. Okay, let's go down and take a look. Okay, Sanya, Hainan Island, China. Let's put this up on the map. And this is a really special, beautiful beach. As you can see on the map, it's a little bit below Sanya. It's in this peninsula part, which is which I think is actually better than the city beaches itself. Those are fine too. But this one just has this nice little feel for it, and that's what you're gonna feel in this particular video. Also, I have I think I have 19 Hainan videos, 2 in Sanya and 17 in Haikou. Haikou also has some beaches. It's the biggest city in Hainan. But this is going to be the beach video of Sanya. And I also created some lyrics. I wrote the lyrics myself with the help of AI, and then I put it into an AI program to make it into a genre. So those lyrics are here too. So let's just do the walk and talk, and I'm going to show you this whole part of Sanya, one of the coolest spots in all of Hainan Island, probably. There's many, but one of the popular tourist ones anyways. Okay. Okay, got music that's going to copyright it, so I'll turn that off. Okay, so we're going to go all the way down to the water and try to avoid the music part. But this is a little idea of this part of Sanya. And I think this is called Dadonghai. Dadonghai. So that's actually the same name as this beach. Okay. So let's just try to see if we can capture it. The bright light is down that way, bright sun. And then this kind of goes all the way down. So we're going to, how should we do this? Let's go all the way down to the ocean. So we're going to capture this. You can see the buildings way down there and the sun set. And then we have the whole coast. This is the swimming part. So we're gonna go across here real quick. And then we're gonna come all the way down. So it's a Saturday evening right now. Saturday about 4 p.m. or so. Let's try to get over this. Now we can kind of capture the beach a little bit. Okay, so this is the most southern part of Sanya. We're gonna walk down a little ways to give you an idea of it, and then we're gonna walk up as well. So let's kind of go upward. Then up there is where all of the kind of restaurants are at. So we'll go up there next. Give you an idea for that. This is kind of capture this whole thing. The sunset's gonna probably come in a little bit. Okay, so that goes up. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so let's go up to the top here. And then we got more music. There's quite a bit of music around, so I have to be careful that it doesn't copyright and catch it. Yep. So we're just gonna walk down this way and overlook from up top here. So there you go. A little taste of Sanya. So we also have all of the places they dine as well. So the music might affect the video a little bit, but there's actually all these restaurants as well. So you can sit, and I think you have to order food, but maybe not always. Now you can see the whole beach. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of walk around a little bit, just kind of give you another taste of Sanya. So let's walk. We're going to walk this direction. I kind of want to show this because this little corner looks pretty cool. You can see lots of Russian writing everywhere. And we're just going to walk down a little bit, just kind of give you an idea for Sanya. But yeah, a lot of Russian shops. Most of the lettering is in Russian and in English. Oh, sorry, Russian and in Chinese, but not so much in English. So you can see that right there, right? So, which is kind of typical. Some nice places to sit in there. So yeah, again, there's a pharmacy, but no English. Chinese and Russian. And then that sign as well. Hello. And that's the other thing too, they'll usually speak to you in Russian, so that so that's kind of interesting as well. So a lot of times they'll come up for like massages or different things like that. Here's a little food street in here. So it's the whole little stretch called it's like a shopping street. Got fruits, all kinds of stuff in here. Then tourist shops. So again, you can see so that's a little taste of Sanya, in particular this area right in here. Junction Coffee. Okay, so we're going to go in a little bit more. But at least you got a taste of Sanya. Nice trees around here though. So I'm probably not giving you all the different stuff that I was seeing in Sanya, but at least you got a taste of it. Okay. Some kind of cool stuff everywhere. Alright, so I'm going to end this video. I'm going to go get something to eat over there, so let me see if I can get through here. It's up on the sidewalk. It's going kind of fast on the sidewalk there. Okay, so that's a little slice of this part of Sanya anyways. And I am going to get something to eat. Barber shop, cake shop. And more shops down that way as well. So let's continue down, and then we're also going to be coming towards a mall. Let's see if I can get through here. Okay. So kind of cool. Okay, so this is sunset at the beach. The sun just went down, but you can still see that the beach is still kind of cool. So I think what we're going to do is just walk down it, walk along the water, try to get an idea. But yeah, the sun just went down a little while ago. But this will give you an idea of what it looks like in the evening. Got some nice water coming up. It seems really smooth. I haven't really seen like a choppy. Lots of people walking all the way down the beach as well. And you can also hear all the music. There's like cafes and clubs and such as well, all the way up to the top. Oh, the water just coming in there. Yeah, the sunset just came down. Let's see, come down this way. That's the water. I've also been seeing, yeah. And you can see the skyline. This is it's part of Sanya, but it's a beach. It's not the main beach. Just walk all the way down. So actually, we're gonna probably walk all the way down to maybe I'll pause it and go down once we get down there a little bit further. Get away from that music.
every view. Island dreams are coming true. Walking around, just me showing you. Through the bustling boardwalk lanes, tasting fruits and summer games. In the sunlight joy remains, in Sanya's heart where sunshine sustains.